Hello everyone and welcome to the Language Proficiency Podcast Project. I'm Harold Gapalo.
I am Giancarlo Saolga. I'm Mark Bulala.
I'm Ingo Bejeritsi.
I'm Lisa Meroni.
In today's episode, we will explore one of the most important topics in English grammar, the parts of speech.
Hey, that's right. Understanding parts of speech help us build better sentence and communicate more clearly.
So, what exactly are parts of speech? In simple terms, they are basic building blocks of the English language. Each word in a sentence belongs to a category based on its function and be used in our daily communication. And I'm alright, guys?
Yes.
Exactly. There are 8 main parts of speech. The nouns, pronouns, verb, adjectives, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Let's go through each one with examples. So let's start with nouns. These are naming words. They name people, things, places, or ideas. For example, teachers, city, book, or happiness.
A sentence example would be, the teachers write on the board.
Next, pronouns. Replace or noun to avoid recitation instead of saying Anna. It's kind Anna help. Or every young we can say or replace Anna. Name to say. Example. Anna is kind. She's help every young.
Third is verb. Now we have verb. Words that show action or state being. For example, run, jump, is, where. Like is the sentence, they run every morning.
Adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns or pronouns. They tell us more about qualities or quantities. Example, she has a beautiful smile.
Then, we have adverbs, which describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They often answer how, when, where, or to what extent. For example, he runs quickly.
Preposition. Show the relationship between a noun or pronouns and other words in sentence. Example, in, on, under, and between.
7. Conjunction. Conjunctions are joining words. They connect words, paraphrase, or clauses. Common examples are and but or because. For example, I wanted to go out but it was rainy.
So finally, interjections or expresses sudden feelings, emotions like wow, oh no, or hurry. For instance, wow, that was an amazing performance.
Practical application. Knowing these parts of speech help us identify how words function in sentences.
Exactly. When are writing essay or speaking, we can make our sentence clearly and more grammatically correct.
And when learning new vocabulary, it's easier to use words properly if we know their part of speech.
So to recap, the 8 parts of speech are nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, prepositions, and conjunctions, and interjections.
It's one of play or a special role or in making our sentence meaningful.
The more we understand them, the better we communicate.
That's it for today's video. That's it for today's episode of the Language Proficiency Podcast Project. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving your English. Bye for now.
Bye!